So, let's decode what is PCOD. It's a polycystic ovary syndrome. So, it's like a disease which 60% of the women have, like in all over the world. So, let's not freak about it, or let's not like be jittery about it, because it's very common and natural. Like even me, even I have it. So, yeah. So इसके लिए आपको क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेने पड़ते हैं, क्या क्या करना पड़ता है, I'll tell all that like in a very brief manner in this video, because I don't want to extend this video for so long. It will be getting very boring. So let's talk about what is PCOD. First, मैंने first अपना PCOD डिटेक्ट किया था when I was in class 10. Like I had my first detection that I have PCOD because I had late periods and I had like severe like complications when I have my periods and all. So I visited a doctor. My gynac said I have all the symptoms, and all the symptoms were related to PCOD, and that was a nightmare for me because I didn't have any slightest idea that I'll have PCOD in near future. So yes, so like इसमें घबराने का कोई बात नहीं है. Like you all can have certain disease in you, like, and it's very important to cure that and take good precautions. So like मैंने जब अपने गायना के पास मैं गई थी, like he said to have a proper diet. He gave me proper medications and all proper like for PCOD patients it's very important to have proper diet. आप क्या खाते हो, कितने क्वांटिटी में खाते हो. कोई ओबेस हो जाता है PCOD में, और कोई लीन. एक होता है लीन PCOD, एक होता है ओबेस PCOD. मतलब कि जैसे कि सारा अली खान वी ऑल नो, लाइक शी वॉज वेरी ओबेस इन हर टीनेज एरा, राइट. सो मेरा क्या था, मैं भी ओबेस होते जा रही थी. लाइक फेशियल हेयर्स होना, एक्ने होना, लाइक पिम्पल्स होना, ऑल दीज आर वेरी कॉमन सिम्टम्स. लाइक ऑल दीज आर ड्यू टू योर PCOD. फेशियल हेयर्स, acne problem, hair fall, all these are very common symptoms of PCOD. If you are facing all this, please visit a gynac. It's very important to see a gynac because it's like maybe it is a sign of PCOS, because I had the same. So मैंने proper medications लिया, अपने diet के ऊपर ध्यान दिया, बहुत कुछ करना पड़ा. After some months of my medications I saw a results, like I had my regular flow. But हाँ, अभी तक I take my medicines. Like अभी I'm like PCOS मेरा अभी भी है. Like है मतलब कि if you don't take your proper medication, it's not like you'll have this lifelong. No, if you take proper medications, if you take your diet properly, it will be getting better by day. So मेरा भी same है. It's getting better, but not like it has fully gone. No, I do take medication sometimes also. I do visit gynac for PCOS. So if you are having PCOS or PCOD, PCOS and PCOD are related, so interrelated actually. So the doctor will say what you are having, PCOS या PCOD. ठीक है, मैंने symptoms ही बता दिया क्या क्या हो सकते हैं PCOS का. Proper diet, you all need to take a proper diet because diet plays a vital role in PCOS and PCOD. No junk food, no drinks, no smoking, all these are eliminated from if you are having PCOS. And also in general you should stop like doing cigarettes, vape and drinking whatsoever. So yes, all these are mainly, my doctor said to avoid all this, mainly exercises or jogging, running, walking, all these were very important for a PCOS patient or PCOD patient. So अगर ये जो मैंने बोला है आप लोग फॉलो करते हो तो your PCOS will be better day by day. First, avoid junk food. Second, proper diet, veggies खाओ, fruits खाओ, whatever, like plant based diet. और अगर वो भी नहीं होता तो सिंपल अवॉइड जंक फूड. थर्ड इज एक्सरसाइज, वॉकिंग, जॉगिंग. एंड फोर्थ इज टू avoid stress, avoid overthinking. I know in this generation we all are having stress and it's very common thing to have, but you should reduce it. Like पूरा तो नहीं हो सकता, but जितना आप लोग ट्राई करोगे उतना ईजी रहेगा. So avoid taking too much stress, too much workload on yourself. So if you like in a very brief, I already said I'll explain all this in a very brief manner. If you avoid all this, like, and whatever I said in a brief manner, if you follow, I think your PCOS and PCOD will be reduced day by day. So thank you for watching this video.